resources provided by the virtual classroom to present and develop content are the page and the URL resource. Unlike the text and media area resource, which we recommend for titles, the page allows us to create a larger amount of content. It is a very useful resource that lets us create a web page using the text editor. On a page, we can display text, images, audio, and video. Let's configure a page. The first thing we need to do is turn editing on. We go to the section where we want to add a page. I'll go to Topic 2. I'm going to create a summary of Topic 2 and click Add an activity or resource. In the list, we select Page, or from the Resources menu, choose Page. In the following window, we fill in the sections. For the name, the title of the page, I'll enter Topic Summary. In the description, as always, we recommend adding a brief summary. We'll write summary or whatever you prefer. In the content section, this is where all the developed content should go. We include all the information we want to provide to students. The next section is Appearance. Here we can indicate whether the page happens in the virtual classroom window or in a pop-up window. The width and height of the window can also be specified, as well as whether we want to display the page name, the page description, or the last modified date. In this case, I leave it as open. If we want to send a notification of this content update to students, we tick the corresponding box. We then click Save Changes and return to the course. We have now created the page resource. This is the icon that indicates it is a page, and if we click on it, we can see how our page looks: the title, the description, and all the content. That topic summary we incorporated. Returning to the virtual classroom, essentially, the page is used to develop content so that it doesn't take up the space in the central part of the classroom, unlike the text and media area. The last resource we'll look at is a URL, which allows you to link to external websites outside the virtual campus. To add a URL, we turn editing mode on in the section where we want to add it. We click Add an activity or resource and select URL, or from the Resources menu, select URL. We fill in the sections. We write the name. This is the name of the link. For example, I want to add a link to the Virtual Teaching Support Uni UDV website. In the external URL field, we can type the web address or paste the link. In this case, I'm going to go to the page, copy the link, and paste it. I'll add a short description, UDV Area of Action. In the following sections, I recommend that under Appearance you always choose in Pop-up. It's advisable that all external links open in a new tab or pop-up window so that our virtual classroom remains in one window while the external link, complementary information, etc. stays in the other. The other sections can be left as default. If we want to send a notification to the students, we tick this checkbox. We save the changes and return to the course. We've created the link and the URL resource is identified by the globe icon. When we access it, a pop-up window opens, and as we've seen, that's how we add the page and URL resources. Finally, if you need to make an inquiry, you can contact the Virtual Teaching Support Unit or access the video tutorials in the Help and Support Resources option. Also, remember to log out when you finish working in any of the environments.